Where's Duncan and Quinn? There they are. I don't know if you can see my finger here. Wow, good job, you guys. Oh, good job, Jasper. Good job.
Where are you going?
Make it shoot really high, bud. Whoops.
You don't know?
Now I'm gonna go to a place.
Okay. Whoa! Good shot, Quinn. All right, Viv, we gotta catch up to those kids.
Yeah. Looks like it widens out. The sun is shining up ahead.
This is really cool. We're in these tiny little slot canyons. I don't know if you guys can see up here behind me. Not about shoulder width. And we're having people walk past us here. Let me see if I can get you in the shot here. People keep walking past and we have to like
it's the bag
basically
that's the problem.
Yeah.
More than the bodies.
We're getting real close and personal here with strangers, so that's fun. Keep going, Jasper. Wow. This is really cool.
Let's let them pass this here because I want pictures.
Jasper, do you need some help? Yeah? Yeah, I need some help. There you go. You did it. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh.
There's Duncan.
Where's Quinn?
How far should we go? I don't want to run to their tires.
Hey, did you guys find a secret spot? We're just taking a little rest here in some tree shade, aren't we, guys? Enjoying this cool Red Rock Canyon. Isn't it pretty cool?
Yeah.
Are you having lots of fun?
Yeah.
Say hi, Jasper.
Hi, Jasper.
Oh, Jasper, say hi. Say hi. No. We're not going to get a hi out of him. Whoops. But this is really cool. Pretty fun family vacation, huh, Viv?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah. Thanks
Ready?
for making us come.
And we were doing something after that.
And
We were doing something after that.
we're doing something after that?
Yeah.
What are we doing after that?
Going hiking.
I think we are going hiking right now.
After hiking, we're going to roast marshmallows.
Oh.
Yeah. Again, papaya. 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 And roast.
You guys are silly.
And papaya.
Hey, oh, okay.
I'm done taking pictures of me. I'm done taking pictures.
Too bad. Jasper! Where's Daddy?
This is pretty cool. Keep going, Jasper. Jeez. Facing the rock. Good job. Brush it off, Jasper. Keep going. Wow. Say hi, Quinn.
Hi, Quinn.
Come on, honey. Come out of the way. Come over here.
Where did Duncan go?
Where's Fernanda? Look at Mom. Look at Mom, Fernanda. No, show me your face one more time. Pause. Thank you.
These canyons go way up.
No, like along the rocks.
Way up.
So cool.
Oops. Yeah, it is. This is really cool.
Duncan! Where are you?
Jasper, you asleep yet, bud? Yeah. You asleep yet, Jasper? I don't know what else to say about these things other than they're really cool. We're doing these S-curves. There's just big walls on either side. It's awesome. Just gotta climb up this big old rock now.
Daddy,
Duncan got up all by himself.
Daddy,
Good job, bud.
If you're having to hold this in your mouth, because it's
And now Dad's gonna try and get up. Here. Would you record me? It's still recording. Record me struggling.
Dad's turn. Don't bunk ahead.
Watch your head there, Jasper. All right.
Success.
This is a fun family adventure, isn't it?
who's tall enough to get up that seat?
Whoa, that was pretty tall.
I think I can.
Think we can get up there? Let's try.
Everybody's taking pictures. Landon, come back here.
It's okay.
Are we in your shot?
No.
You tall enough to do it?
There you go, fingertips.
Fingertips.
Hold it up. There you go. Just like that.
Almost.
Not quite tall enough. All right, let's keep going.
Eric, no. Nope, nope. Got your heel. Eric, come here. Sorry, he got himself in a pickle. Come here.
Hi, Center.
Okay, our turn to get over this big old rock while carrying Jasper. All right, we made it. This is pretty cool.
There is no fighting, okay? There's no hitting each other.
Hey, turn around. This is really cool. Duncan, are you having fun, buddy? We gotta get over that rock. Okay, I'll come help you. Queenie needs help. Having fun, Jasper? Yeah? Are we having fun? Yeah. He was very mad to go back into the backpack, but he also won't walk, so we can't just sit here all day. You got up, buddy. How'd you do it? Good job. You're so sticky. Are we gonna get up, Quinn? Gotta get up the rock. Follow Mom. Follow Mom. Queenie keeps collecting rocks, and we keep asking her to put them down. Like that one, right there. All right, I'm gonna put this phone away because I can't get up this while recording. Is this the best hiking place ever? Yeah, it's so cool. This kind of looks like a good turnaround point. It's opened up, we could keep going, but I think we're about done. I'm pretty sure Jess was about done. So we're gonna go see what the kids want to do. But this is so cool. So pretty in here. Really cool. Wow. Cool hike, buddy. Having fun, Viv? Jasper? Having fun? Yeah. Give me that smile, Jasper.
I thought it was just the whole way. Yeah, like, whoa.
Mom and Jasper, I mean, Mom and Duncan, are going up this cool hike to the Goblin's lair. And we are hanging out at the bottom. Right, Jasper? Yeah. Because Quinn is not coordinated enough. Dad has a sore back and Jasper's too little. So the adventurous type are going up there. Wave at us. Viv. We're hiking through this canyon in Goblin Valley. Quinny is serenading us, and we are currently getting rained on, aren't we, Viv?
Yes, we are. We left because Mom's paranoid of flash flooding,
Yeah.
so we're headed back.
Dad's useless because I have a really sore back, and the strong woman is carrying the baby, so we're at half strength as it is anyway, so we're going home. We're not risking flash floods.